Picture this. It's 3 a.m. Your phone buzzes with a critical alert. You groggily stumble to your computer, only to find a dashboard with 1,000 different metrics screaming for attention. Sound familiar? For most of us in DevOps, that's just a regular Tuesday. But what if I told you that the days of this manual firefighting are numbered? The problem isn't a lack of data, it's a lack of time to make sense of it all. But a revolution is underway. AI isn't just for self-driving cars and chatbots anymore. It's here to fundamentally change how we build, deploy, and manage software. Today, we're demystifying a critical new field, AIOps. And we're going to show you how AI is not just helping DevOps. It's taking it over. Before we dive into the solution, let's really understand the problem. Modern IT environments are incredibly complex. We're dealing with microservices, cloud infrastructure, containerization, and all of it is generating a tidal wave of data. We've got monitoring tools, logging platforms, tracing systems, but we, as humans, can't possibly process all of that information in real time. This leads to what we call alert fatigue, where we're so overwhelmed by notifications that we miss the one or two that actually matter. It's like having a fire alarm go off for every wisp of smoke, so when there's a real fire, no one pays attention. So, what's the answer? We can't just throw more people at the problem. The solution is to use a tool that's built for this exact task: artificial intelligence. AIOps is the application of AI and machine learning to that mountain of IT operations data. It's not magic, it's a systematic approach. And it's built on 3 core pillars. Pillar 1, intelligent observability. Traditional monitoring tells you if a service is up or down. AIOps helps you understand why. It uses machine learning to find patterns in your logs, metrics, and traces that a human would never spot. Instead of an alert saying, server CPU is at 95%, an AIOps tool might tell you, CPU is unusually high due to a recent code change in the authentication service, and it's a leading indicator of an imminent failure. Pillar 2, intelligent automation. This is where AI moves from giving you insights to taking action. When an AIOps system spots a problem, it can automatically trigger a solution. It might auto-scale a service to handle a traffic spike, or automatically roll back a faulty deployment after a flood of errors. This frees up engineers from repetitive manual tasks, what we call toil. Pillar 3, predictive analytics. This is the game changer. AIOps analyzes historical data to predict future incidents before they even happen. It can detect subtle changes in system behavior that indicate a server is about to fail, or that a user-facing problem is brewing. It helps you move from being a reactive firefighter to a proactive system architect. So this all sounds great in theory, but how do you actually start? You don't need to be a data scientist. Your journey into AIOps starts with a single crucial step. Embrace observability. You can't automate what you can't measure. Make sure your team is collecting high-quality metrics, logs, and traces from every part of your stack. The open source world has amazing tools for this, like Prometheus and Grafana. Next, focus on a single problem. Don't try to solve everything at once. Is your team buried in false positive alerts? Find an AIOps tool to help you with alert correlation. Is your deployment process manual? Find a tool to automate that one step. And finally, start small and iterate. AIOps is a journey. It's about building a culture where you treat your operational data as a valuable resource and use it to make smarter decisions. The role of the DevOps engineer is changing. We're moving from hands-on keyboard to hands-on architecture. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to empower us, to help us build more resilient, scalable, and ultimately more successful systems. AIOps is the future of DevOps, and the best time to start learning is right now. So that's the big picture of AIOps. It's a fundamental shift, and it's a journey, not a destination. What we've covered today are the core concepts. But what if we took this to the next level? In our next video, we could build a practical step-by-step demonstration. We could connect a live system, show you how to reduce alert noise with machine learning, or even set up an automated intelligent response. If that sounds like something you'd want to see, let me know in the comments below with "I want a demo." Or tell me what specific AIOps use case you'd like us to build. Your feedback will help shape the next video. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to OpsCraft for more insights into the future of technology.